Hi, my name's Helen Sharp from the Knitting School in Seattle, and I'm going to be showing a series of videos on casting on the single bed machine. So I'm going to show 4 techniques altogether in individual videos, and I just want to talk through the various ones now. Here we have the E-wrap, the double E-wrap, the figure 8 cast on, and the crochet cast on. These are all ways to get started on a single bed machine and end up with a finished edge. And they're all pretty similar. I would say the crochet edge is the most different. It has a little knit stitch going along the bottom, which is quite nice. The other 3 all have like a little float stitch on the bottom. Some of them are a little easier to do than others. But I don't think it matters too much which one you do. You tend to just learn one and then that's the one you end up doing. The first one I learned to do was the double E-wrap, and I've done it thousands and thousands of times now, and I'm probably not going to change. When I was a student, the first machines I worked on were industrial V-bed machines like Dubier, and the way to start jersey on that was to cast on 1 by 1 rib, and then right after the circular, move all the needles onto one bed. And even after I started working on Japanese style knitting machines like the Brother, I would still always do it that way. But as soon as I learned to do the double E-wrap, I immediately switched to that and have never looked back from there. So of course that's still a valid way to do it, and it gives you quite a nice cast on edge, but it takes a little bit longer than doing a wrap. So have a go at all of them and then just pick the one that you like the best. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in machine knitting, please feel free to send me questions or make comments in the feed below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.